Hello, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching how to create an account with Snapchat. If you don't have an account, all you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store or iOS Store and download the app. Once downloaded, you click on Open to install the app. Before I proceed, remember to subscribe to this channel if this is your first time of visiting my channel, and don't forget to like and share. Now, if you have an existing account, you click on login, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be signing up, so I'll click on sign up. Now, get started. Enable app permission to make sign up so easily, so I'll click on continue. I'll click on allow. I also click on allow. Then I'll click on allow too. It's provision for your first name, so I'll be using then I'll click on sign up. You now select your birthday. Once selected, you click on continue. Your username is SolexFew. If you wish to change your username, you click on change username, but if you don't, you click on continue. You will now set a password, so I'll be covering it. They say your password should be at least 8 characters, so I'll be covering it then as I input my password. So after entering your password, you click on continue. Then you select your country code, which is Nigeria. Then you input your phone number. After entering your phone number, you click on continue. Then you receive a confirmation code. You now insert the code. Now, these are lists of all the friends I have on my Snapchat, so I will add 5 friends. Then I will click on continue. So if you wish to change your profile picture, but if you don't want, you click on skip. To use Snapchat, please allow the app to locate storage, so you turn it on. You've succeeded in creating a Snapchat account. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to share this video. Thank you.